Sing Noah McGuire, Little Page. Do a trick for us, Noah. Oh, you better do a trick. Oh, that's called the night-night. Look at that trick. Isn't that so smart? Noah's doing the night-night. Next, he will run and jump for us as fast as he can. He will run to the trampoline and jump as high as he can on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at him, he's so fast. Oh, come on, you can jump higher than that. Look at that, Noah. Addie, what do you think of your big brother? Go, Noah, go! What do you think, Addie? Do you think he's the best thing ever?
I'll be free.
What?
Go 5.
What? Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Yay! All right, come back, come back. Come back for another trick. Come on, hurry. Introducing Noah McGuire, Little Page. He's going to stand on the square. He's going to stand on 1 foot. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Noah, you are so good at standing. Okay, can you hop 3 times? Woo! Alright. Can you twist? Oh man, this is a hard one. Twist. Like spin. Wow, can you sing Rejoice in the Lord? Did I lose you? Okay, can you count to 5 in Chinese? Thank you. Can you count to 5 in? Okay. All right, the end.